Welcome to PerMix, where smart mixing begins. Today, we're showing you a machine that's built for performance, precision, and results. Meet the PerMix PTS series Plow mixers, a powerful and cost-effective solution for high-performance turbulent mixing. Originally developed by our in-house engineering team, the PTS series delivers premium mixing capabilities at a significantly lower cost than industry alternatives. The PerMix PTS mixer is incredibly versatile, very fast, and capable of handling nearly all types of materials, from dry powders and granular substances to moist solids, pastes, short fibers, and highly viscous masses. It's designed for a wide range of processing applications, including compounding, fine mixing, dispersing, suspending, emulsifying, deaerating, granulating, tempering, and accelerating chemical or physical reactions. It's also ideal for breaking down agglomerates and mixing trace elements in ultra-precise ratios, even as low as 1 in 1,000,000. This specific unit, the PerMix PTS 2000, was custom-built for a 3-in-1 Choco drink manufacturer. It features a special steam injection system for enhanced processing and agglomeration, a top-mounted flange for pneumatic feeding, 3 high-performance chopper units for effective dispersion, explosion-proof motors, an internally mirror-polished finish for hygiene and product flow, and a comprehensive CIP cleaning system with integrated spraying nozzles. Designed for high-demand applications and precise performance, the PerMix PTS 2000 brings unmatched efficiency to even the most challenging mixing environments. PerMix PTS Series Turbulent Mixing Total Control.